I'll be showing y'all guys 2 recipes that you can easily, like these are things you can easily find around your house without glue or borax. Let's get into the video. So what you want to do first is get some blush in it, and put it into a bowl. So I've already done that. I'm gonna mix it around, chunk, and then you will want to get some conditioner. It doesn't matter what kind. I'm just getting Pantene. And just go into your bowl, and you'll need a bowl pan to make slime in. I have to use the other one. Hold on, guys. Okay, now you just want to mix it up. And scoop down the blush. And I'm also going to be adding in some glitter. This is optional. You don't have to add in it. Okay, let me just add in a little more conditioner. And stir it up more. Oh, and you'll also need baking soda for this. I forgot to tell y'all. And now you just get a pinch of baking soda and put it in there. This looks like a cleaning refreshment, but my mom, she uses this for cleaning, and it's baking soda. We just didn't have anything to really put it in, so I just used this. Pinch in there, stir it up. Kind of clumping together. Now I'm gonna go put in the fridge. I'll be right back. And you'll want to put in the fridge for about like 5 minutes. Crap. Okay. Let's look at it. Now for this one. And for this one, you're gonna get a bowl. You're gonna need a bowl, a mixing tool. Let me grab something real quick. Okay, a mixing tool. Which I just got this paintbrush that has no end. Olay cleansing. Hold on, what's this? Like cleanser. Hold on just a second, guys. Apparently for this one you have to have aloe barbadense. I don't know how to pronounce that. Right here. If my camera focused, you could see it. Okay, I'll show you guys later. But you pretty much have to have a gentle foaming cleanser. Squirt it into your bowl or plate. Just a second, guys. It's gonna be hard, so I have to use. Okay, so I put that much in there. Yeah. I just like to do this, which is like stir it up. You don't have to. It's just starts clumping together already if you get the Olay kind. Oh, I didn't tell you all what you need, did I? Then you'll need some salt. It's like a pinch of salt. And then like a wee bit of baking soda. Like that much probably. Like that much. See how it's clumping up together? I'm adding some glitter. Look how pretty that is. The glitter doesn't ruin it. One more minute till the other one needs to come out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the other one out the fridge and put this one in the fridge. This one will also need to last 5 minutes. Alright guys, this is how the other slime turned out. This one, I would say, is not slime. Don't want to mess it up because my pedicure. I just got a pedicure. I think it's called pedicure. No. I got my nails from yesterday at TT Nails. I don't want to mess them up.